On December 5th, 2022, we had a heat pump installed in our house in order to reduce our carbon footprint. What is a heat pump, you ask? Well, basically, it heats and cools a space by transferring thermal energy from the outside using a refrigeration cycle powered by electricity. Now, it's a more environmentally friendly source of heating than, say, methane gas, but it still generates carbon through manufacturing and in the production of electricity to run it. Now, let's get back to my story. Our home was heatless on this day, and I was working right here in my second-floor studio when I heard a mysterious tapping sound coming from the basement through the air duct. I stopped working and turned on my audio recorder. As I listened, I felt myself being transformed by the sounds of the heat pump, which, of course, are made of materials from the earth, just like we are.
This thing's smart. Everything talks to each other. I would just leave it on auto and let it choose what it wants to do.
What does decarbonization sound like to you?